Tired of seeing just ETH in your Metamask wallet when you know you own other awesome tokens? Well, today, we're unlocking the secrets to adding any token to Metamask across multiple blockchain networks. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need the token's contract address. Head to a trusted source like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. Search for your token and find its contract address. It's usually a long string of numbers and letters. Make sure you are selecting the correct network by checking the blockchain logo. Next, open your Metamask wallet by clicking the Metamask extension icon in your browser. At the bottom of your wallet, you'll see Import Tokens. Click on it. You'll be taken to the Import Token screen. Make sure you select the Custom Token tab. Now, paste the contract address you copied earlier into the token contract address field. Metamask should automatically fill in the token symbol and token decimal fields. If it doesn't, double-check the contract address you entered. Once all the information is displayed, click Add Custom Token. Review the token details, and if everything looks correct, click Import. Congratulations! Your token should now be visible in your Metamask wallet. Remember to always double-check the contract address from a reputable source before importing to avoid scams. And that's it for today's comprehensive guide.